Good afternoon. I am Hemant Kumar, Manager Dairy from Mother Dairy, Bangalore, Yelahanka. Okay, and this is our, beautiful Nandini stall. So in this IDA 50th conference. Okay, so we are the whole and soul, the brand Nandini in Karnataka, representing the southern part of India. Okay, so we are in the business since more than 4 decades, right from 1970s. So we are in the business. The brand name Nandini, it was started in the year 1983. So we are headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka Milk Federation. Under this federation, there are 15 milk unions and more than 12 units. That 12 units includes the cattle feed plants, then units like mother dairy and pouch film plants. That includes everything that is around. And we are having powder plants under KMF in Chandrayapatna, in Ramanagara, and in Mother Dairy. So these are our units. So we have got more than 160 products of different categories. One is right from milk. So our procurement as on today is about 80 lakh kgs in the state. Okay, again the procurement varies among the unions. Okay, so we are manufacturing different types of milk variants, right? That is fresh milk available to the market. Okay, and also fermented milk products and UHT milk products and different kinds of powders like skim milk powder, whole milk powder, then dairy whiteners. So that's all you can see in our this one stall. Branches as such, all unions, they are all working for Nandini brand only. So what else you want other than this? This is in the brief. So we are having different types of products as sweets. We have got different types of sweets. Then fermented milks are already curd, lassi, and buttermilk, mango lassi, sweet lassi, and ice creams, different kinds of ice creams. And we are exporting ice cream to Dubai, and we started exporting. And we are having 2 ice cream plants under this KMF unit. One is in Ballari, and one more is in Mother Dairy, Bangalore. And also, so we got the best award. This is the special part of our Nandini milk and milk products. It is ghee. Ghee is one of the major product. Different that you can have a look. That we pack in PET bottles, in sachets, and also in tins. And the ghee rate is less when compared to other the brands in Karnataka. Okay, we are having so many parallel brands are there. So ours is the only product which is having very less product, and you can see many more plenty of products. So under our Nandini brand and okay.